How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode we just gonna change the oil on this car. And if you can see, we had to get a bigger jack, because I had two jacks, 2.5 tons, low profiles, but I had to upgrade. So I'm gonna show you how to jack up the car from the middle, so you can jack up the front, and then do what you gotta do on the bottom of the car. And this is gonna be just really a quick video on how to jack up your car, how to change the oil real quick. On this one I already make a video on how to change the oil for beginners, so check that one out. And I'm just gonna jack up the car. I'm gonna do the oil real quick, and then I'm gonna remove this tow hook. I'm gonna paint it green like the valve cover. And if you haven't checked my video on how to paint valve covers, check it out. And finally, we got in the mail the new fasteners for the bumper. If you can see in one of my videos, I shared with you guys how these ones, they were black before, right? So sun killed them, so it's time to replace them, plus the rubber that it comes with them. This one right here, because sun killing, broke down, so I had to put zip ties. So like you say on my previous videos, everything is about green. We turn everything green, so I'm gonna replace them. I should have just painted them green, but this is really cheap. So on this video also I'm gonna show you how to, if you're planning to do this. And I did this not just because of the looks, it's because my bumper is broke on both sides, so I had to put this bumper fasteners. And then the sun killed them, so it's time to replace them. And I'm just gonna paint these ones maybe later, and keep them just in case. But I'm gonna put these ones, but I'm gonna do the same like I've been doing to all my bolts, all the new green bolts. I'm gonna put some clear coat, make sure they stay green and they don't turn out like these ones. So in this video we just doing a little here and there things on the car, but obviously I've been running really a lot lately. I've been really busy. I haven't have chance to change the oil, so I'm gonna show you how to do it fast and easy in this car, especially now that we have a bigger jack. And this is a Pittsburgh jack. Okay, I bought it on Harbor Freight. Quick tip for you guys: if you're gonna buy a jack on Harbor Freight, they give you 90 days. I recommend you, before the 90 days, if you buy one there, if you don't buy the guarantee, turn it in, get a new one. Because I know exactly after 90 days, these ones start to break down. Before the 90 days, I return this one and get the other one back. But this one is really good, because with this one, I can jack up the whole front, put jack stands on the side, and then I can just do whatever I had to do on the bottom of the car. So, this video is gonna cover pretty much everything. Oil change, paint the tow hook, put it back on it, and change these fasteners. Okay guys, if you can see, we get a bigger jack, and you have here the frame. If you can see right here, we have the frame, and we put it on the middle plate, and that's especially to jack up the car. Make sure that this plate goes inside, and then you jack up the car, and you can see both wheels are in the air. I put jack stands on both sides. I block the rear tires because this is a front wheel drive, so I make sure that I had the emergency brake on, and then I can just jack it up plug the rear tires, and that's it, guys. That's how you jack up the car. Alright guys, this video is not intended to just show you how to change the oil, because I already did that before in another video. This video is just to show you how easy it is. The only thing that you need, 17mm socket and this tool to remove the oil filter. So let me just show you how quick and easy this job is. You just have to go over there and wherever the you have the bolt for the oil, loose that one up. If you can see right here, in the other video, in another video, I show you how to replace the exhaust from the catalytic converter all the way to the back, right? You can see right here, flex pipe, it's got a hole in it, it's broke. That's why this car makes so much noise, even though I tried to get quiet now and the car didn't stay quiet. Why? Flex pipe. So in my next video, I'm waiting on the parts. I already ordered a new headers and a new down pipe, flex pipe. So stay tuned for the next video, because on the next one I'm just gonna replace this stuff and I'm gonna show you how to remove oxygen sensors. Okay, so we're just gonna remove the drain oil, the drain bolt. Let's drain all that black oil. And while we're waiting for that to drain, we're gonna start working on the bolts. Let's put the bolt back on, new washer. Let's clean around, and then right on top of the bolt, right there, I'm gonna show you right now, that's where the oil filter is. So we're gonna remove it, and before we remove it, let's get this bolt tight. You don't have to go super tight, just make sure it's tight. That's really good. If you see that, guys, that's the filter right there. We just loosen up that filter with wrench and then put it out all the way. Make sure the gasket stay with the filter. So I don't know if by the end of this year or the beginning of the next one, this engine is gonna go out, and we wanna make this 5-speed. So new engine, 5-speed transmission by the end of this year. Fingers crossed. So I already finished with the oil, guys. That was like not even 10 minutes. It's really easy to do. Now I'm gonna have to open this cover and remove this bolt. We're using a 532 Allen, so I already loosened that one up. So we just gotta remove them, cut this zip tie, and put the new ones. To put this, you just gotta put the fastener with the bolt inside. On the back side, you put the washer first, and then the little nut. Okay. Grab our socket, put it on the other side, and we just tighten them up, guys. Now let's do the top one. Same thing. Once you got the hole, you put your fastener, bolt, then put your washer, the nut, once you already have in place, again grab your ratchet, put it inside, that's it, guys. Now let's try to fix that. Then we grab the rubber band. That's it, guys. The bumper doesn't go nowhere. Okay, so guys, there you have it. That's how you replace fasteners. Good thing I put the clear coat in it, so I hope they stay green like everything else in the car. That's how you install that, guys. For next video, I'm gonna do the tow hooks, front and rear. I haven't do the rear one yet, and that's how you replace quick release fasteners for your bumper, and that's how you do oil change on your car. So I hope you like this video, guys. It was quick and easy. Now you know how to jack up the car from the front. Obviously, block your rear tires, jack stands too, shake the car a little bit so it doesn't go nowhere. Then you can work on your car. So stay tuned for the next video. On the next video, maybe we do the tow hooks, but we don't know. I don't know yet, because weather is not really good right now, so maybe that's for later. But for sure, my headers and my new flex pipe, down pipe, they're coming. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to remove your headers, remove those bolts. I'm gonna explain a little bit how I did it with the stock ones, because it's way different than these ones, but it's really easy. I'm gonna explain you all the process and how to remove the oxygen sensors. Okay, so I'm gonna explain everything on the next video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.